Welcome back. Let's talk about OS module in this. First, we're gonna import the OS module. Go to the official website. Check the documentation. We have os.arc. It actually shows us the CPU architecture. Let's try it out. Console.log os.arc. Shows us it's 64-bit or x32 ARM 64, which is the ARM processors like the M1 in MacBooks. Then we have got CPUs. Let's try that out. It's gonna tell us how many CPUs we have. So I've got Ryzen 5 5600H. It's our 66 cores, 12 thread CPU. Let's check the different function. Free mem. So it's gonna tell us in bytes, and these are the bytes, not gigabytes and stuff. So for that, we'll first divide this and convert it into gigabytes. Shows us 7.815 gigabytes. Let's check it out if that's true or not. We can do that particular function in JavaScript, but in Node.js it is possible. You can see that it's 7.6 at this moment, 7.74. Next, let's check out different function. Let's check out the home directory function. It actually reflects the home directory. Let's check it out. You can see that this is my home directory. You can even check the temp directory. Shows us the temporary folder. We can check out the host name. I'm not going to be using this since this will show my IP address. It's the platform which is used to identify the operating system. So Darwin is for Mac, and you can use Linux or Sun OS. Win32 stands for Windows. Also the release, which is the version. You can check out that it shows us that I'm on 10.0.22 thousand and Win32 because I'm on a Windows. This total memory function type, you can do it in your system and check it out. You can even check the documentation to see different functions and try it yourself. That's it for today. Thank you. See ya in the next video.